Welcome to my channel, Learn English. To learn more, please visit my website and follow my social medias. Adjectives: small, small, big, big, ugly, ugly, beautiful, beautiful, old, old, new, new, expensive, expensive, cheap, cheap, tall, tall, short, short, fat, fat, thin, thin, heavy, heavy, light, light, hot, hot, cold, cold, fast, fast, slow, slow, interesting, interesting, boring, boring, wide, wide, narrow, narrow, poor, poor, rich, rich, low, low, high, high, easy, easy, hard, hard, negative, negative, positive, positive. Thanks for watching. Subscribe!